Very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen. Today, the 6th of December 2021, from Dehiwala Beach in Sri Lanka. I was speaking at a forum yesterday morning, a forum organized by the British Council of Sri Lanka on the role of the impact investing for social entrepreneurs. And after my session, there were several questions that was raised. And one particular question was from an entrepreneur was, if I invite an investor to take a stake in my business, what happens if he takes my idea and runs away? The answer that I gave is, and I told him, the entrepreneurship is a journey in compared to the self-employment. Self-employment is an important kind of initiative, but it is connected to the day-to-day survival, what we call the Eda Vela tours, or doing business for the sake of the day's survival. But compared to an entrepreneur, goes on a long journey based on a vision in understanding the social and the environmental needs, bringing solutions that can have an impact on the society, and based on that impact, that he can drive his enterprise on a commercial model to reach sustainability, scalability, and the commercial viability. So the idea of somebody being partner, collaborator, stealing and robbing is a very short-sighted thinking. Any entrepreneur has to be brave and bold, fearless. And if you have fear that somebody would steal my idea, that means there is a crack in the foundation of your innovation, because you need to have the firm conviction, the originality of the birth of your idea and the innovation, and your skill of continuously developing that idea, that innovation, and each step of the way. Then there is no way that somebody can steal your idea and innovation, because idea by itself being stale there, naturally somebody will copy it. And we have seen many organizations like Kodak, who has become history because they have not really gone on a journey of continuous improvement. The fearless, the bold and the brave all the time to continuously improve and face the challenges. Even somebody coming and copying, somebody coming and stealing is a challenge, and you have to face fearlessly. And that's exactly sometimes some people are not able to do that. That's why we find there are over 50,000 patents of various ideas, but none of them has become entrepreneurs. Not only entrepreneurs, any one of us in our journey, when we are progressing in life, we need to be fearless, and we need to have the ability to understand the originality of ourselves and our idea, our concept, and based on that, continuously giving birth. You know, ladies and gentlemen, a relationship between the mother and a child cannot be broken or sold out. Mother knows the child she has given the birth, the DNA, the blood, and the connection. And the same way is any idea. And when you have an idea, an innovation, you know how to grow it. how to build it up, how to graduate it. And you need to be fearless and bold and brave in releasing it to the market. And then you would see that you are going places. And if you are fearful, you will never reach, because you will hide your idea, your concept, your innovation, and it will never reach the market. Ladies and gentlemen, not only for an entrepreneur, but even for us in our journey, our originality has to be showcased, and it needs to be continuously improved, built and progressed and graduated and released to the market, so that we would be enriching more people in more places more often.